I was sitting on a curb without a nickel, and a pretty little girl rode by on her bicycle. I must confess I was a little bored, but when she passed by she made my spirit soar. There was something about her made me change my mood. Sweet Okole, she had a sweet Okole. There's many fine young men coming to this tavern, and you think that a glass of beer is what you're after. Little boys in the candlelight, they gaze intently at the many sights. What do they wanna take home with them tonight? They want some sweet Okole. They want some sweet Okole. Sweet Okole, everybody needs a little sweet Okole. I love that sweet Okole. Everybody needs a little sweet Okole. That's right. That's O-K-O-L-E. Google. Our guitar player, he live up Kohala. Everybody know that's what talented fella. Gotta keep it money in check. He's got his own already. Ain't trying to man, but I can't copy because he play left hand. And he covers my sweet Okole. He covers my sweet Okole. How I love that sweet Okole. Everybody needs a little sweet Okole. How I love that sweet Okole. Everybody needs a little sweet Okole. Taking it Hamakusa. It is one cool bass player from Honoka'a. He come to Hawaiian music brother. Ma'a. He played for years, got a steady. He played with the boys down to got a lot in Hawaiian, in Japanese. And it covers my sweet Okole. Sweet Okole. How I love that sweet Okole. Everybody needs a little sweet Okole. How I love that sweet Okole. Everybody needs a little sweet Okole.
He go for you. Oh yeah. All right. Well, I know this chick, she lives in Waikoloa. You look at her side-eye, she looks like a cougar. With her claws, like an angel without flaws. But what I like most is got a big, big heart.